Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily chart, what we have over here is an uptrend movement, but market fails to create a new high and unable to break and close above 116.34, and that's why it is in a consolidation right now. So this is a very important setup, and of course when you see consolidation, traders will be looking for harmonic pattern trading opportunities, and I'm not saying that that's the only opportunity you can look into, but that is definitely one of them. And if you head down to the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart we can see an M and W formation. Are you able to spot it? Pretty much there are a couple of those setup, but you know, in our analysis we focus more on the most recent setup. That's just a hint to you. You can scan this QR code, pause this recording right now, and share your view in our students forum, which I'll show you shortly. But it's just as simple as scanning the QR code, and that is the fastest way for you to learn. So pause this recording right now and share your view. Okay, to the 1-hour chart, this is what we have. Another potential harmonic pattern setup over here as well. So this is something that is definitely worth watching at. Okay, so let us scan this QR code, get into our student forum, and this look exactly as it is. Once you are in the portal, you're able to chat with us over here. All you need to do is to click dashboard, and you're able to get into this. All right, so over here you can start to share your trading ideas. That's the beauty part of it. And if you scroll down further, you can start learning trading for free. So there's no excuse that courses are too expensive, you don't have time to go through it, and this is totally within your own pace. And further down over here, well, we have trading ideas that we share with our students. You can see that our trading ideas, many of times the second target gives a 2-1 ratio. That's the fantastic part of this entire thing. All right, so back to our daily chart, and just right before it, you can follow us on this social media over here that you can see at the bottom. We have OpenSea, where I'm going to share my investment idea over here in the platform. Twitter account, you know, here and there, all my social media stuff will be there. And Telegram group, we only have one. I only have one account under my name. And over here is definitely Instagram. We're going to share more things. I'm shifting towards more of doing reels and stuff like that, so give me some time to produce those contents, but do follow me on Rain Lim, the only account on this platform. Okay, so back to our daily chart. Let's have a look over here. What we have is the bearish Gartley pattern has really took place. If you're already in the trade, I believe that you have already hit the final target profit, 198 pips of profits just by trading this. Trader one standard lot. It will give you approximately $1,980 per lot traded. And of course, if you're looking for a buying opportunity, you can wait out at 113.38. Some of the top process you can look into is wait for market to come back down lower and retest and respect this channel to look for a shorting opportunity. Extend towards downside. That could be one. If not, for our chart, just simply wait for a retest back up to this shark pattern, completing at 115.71 for your second engagement. Shorting opportunity of 115.75, 76, somewhere around that range. Wait for a pullback. Usually shark pattern does have a pullback before the actual move, usually, not all the time. So you will really want to catch that if you're interested to short this trade to continue the move. And of course, on the 1-hour chart, if it continue to go deeper, lower and stuff like that, 114.54 will be the area that you can catch the falling knife. I know it's not a good way to say things, but that's a pretty good setup for traders, especially countertrend traders and stuff like that, because the reward is the risk is just fantastic. The reward outweighs the risk. So that's pretty much I have for you over here. And of course, if you are looking for a job in a financial institute, we are not hiring, but there are 2 financial institutes that are looking to hire our graduates. So if you're interested, this is pretty much a fast track. There's no need for you to go through 3 or 4 years, 5 years of traditional mainstream education to submit your resume and whatsoever. All they want is a recommendation from our site to recommend our students. That's pretty much I have for you today. If you have dreams to be in this industry, drop me a note. We'll see if you are suitable before we recommend you and work with you. That's all I have for you today. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan. Take care.